Hello friends, in last lecture we study every permutation can be expressed as a product of transposition and it can be expressed as either in the product of even number of transposition or odd number of transposition. In this lecture we are going to study alternating group. First, see the definition. A permutation is said to be even permutation and even permutation if it can be expressed as a product of even number of transposition, and a permutation is said to be odd permutation if it can be expressed as product of odd number of transposition. A permutation sigma is said to be even if it can be expressed as a product of even number of transpositions. Here, similarly, a permutation sigma is said to be odd if it can be expressed as a product of odd permutation. Here, if sigma is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 in S6, then sigma can be expressed as a product of transposition like this: 1, 6, then second transpose 1, 5, then third 1, 4, then 1, 3. Here transposition, number of transposition 4, therefore sigma is even. Sigma is even. Identity permutation can be written this way: 1, 2, 1, 2. Identity permutation can be expressed as 1, 2, 1, 2. And so identity permutation is even. Identity permutation is even permutation. Now, if sigma is a cycle of length even, then it is odd permutation. If sigma is a cycle of length, only one cycle, sigma is a cycle of length, or then it is even permutation. Here cycle of length 5, so we get here even permutation. Cycle of length 5, then number of transpositions convert here even. So it is, if sigma is a single cycle, if it is odd cycle, then it is even permutation. If it is even cycle, then it is odd permutation. Now, important theorem here. Theorem: greater than or equal to 2, if n greater than or equal to 2, then the collection of all even permutation, then of all even permutations of 1 to up to n forms a subgroup of order n factorial by 2, forms a subgroup of order n factorial by 2 of the group of the symmetry group of the symmetric group S3, Sn, sorry, Sn. Now here, let An be a set of all even permutations in Sn, and Bn be a set of all odd permutations in Sn. Okay? Here, to be a transposition in Sn. Suppose consider map lambda 2 from An to Bn by lambda 2 of sigma is equal to tau sigma, where sigma for sigma belongs to A. Sigma is an even permutation. Sigma is a even permutation. Now, tau sigma. Sigma is a even permutation. Then here add one transposition. That means total number of transpositions are even and plus 1. This belongs to Bn. This permutation is odd permutation. This belongs to Bn. Now, here show this map lambda 2 is 1 1 and onto 1 1 and onto. Take here lambda 2 of sigma is equal to lambda 2 of rho. Okay, here this gives tau sigma, this is tau rho, tau inverse tau sigma, tau inverse tau rho. We multiply tau inverse and this gives sigma is equal to rho. That means lambda 2 is 1 1 map. Now, for any, now here any row belongs to Bn. Row belongs to. That means row is an odd permutation. Here, tau inverse is again tau. Inverse of transposition is transposition itself. Inverse of transposition is itself. Okay, we see here 1, 2 transposition, again 1, 2 is equal to identity map. That means inverse of transposition is itself. Tau inverse is again tau. Now this is odd permutation. Tau inverse, or if it, this is even permutation or plus 1 transposition, that means even belongs to An, and lambda 2 of tau inverse rho is equal to tau inverse rho. This is rho. That means rho has a preimage. This is tau inverse rho in An. And so lambda 2 is onto map. So this map is 1, 1 onto. This map is 1, 1 onto. Therefore, cardinality of An is equal to cardinality of Bn. Also, no permutation in Sn can be expressed as a product of even number of transpositions and product of odd number of transpositions. That means An intersection Bn is equal to phi, and union all even and odd permutation we get Sn. An union Bn is equal to Sn. Therefore, by this relation, cardinality of An plus cardinality of Bn is equal to cardinality of Sn. Here cardinality of An, but cardinality of Bn is equal to cardinality of An. This is equal to cardinality of Sn. Sn means cardinality of Sn is n factorial. 2 times cardinality of An is equal to n factorial. Therefore, cardinality of An is equal to n factorial by 2. That means An contains n factorial by 2 elements. An contains n factorial by 2 elements. Now, to show An is subgroup. Now, here sigma mu belongs to An, sigma u belongs to Un. That means sigma is a even permutation, mu is a even permutation, sigma can be expressed as a product of even number of transposition, mu can be expressed as a product of even number of transposition. Now sigma mu, even number of transposition, again even number of transposition, that means u1 plus u1, again even number of transposition. This is belongs to A. Sigma mu is again even permutation, that means closure property satisfied. closure property. Closure property satisfied. Now, function composition is always associative. That means product of permutation is associative. So associative is satisfied. I is equal to 1 2 1 2. I is 1 2 1 2. This is belongs to AN, even permutation. Here, sigma belongs to AN. Sigma belongs to AN. Sigma can be written, suppose here A1 AN, A1 AN minus 1, so A1 A3 A1 A2, like this. That means even number of transpositions. Now, sigma inverse is only reverse order. Sigma inverse is A1 A2 A1 A3 that A1 AN minus 1 and A1 AN, like this. Sigma inverse is obtained by this way. Only write in reverse order. Reverse order transposition. Only write this transposition in reverse order. This is sigma inverse. Again, sigma inverse can be written as a product of even number of transposition. Therefore, sigma inverse belongs to AN. Closure property satisfied. Permutation function permutation is associative. Identity is an even permutation. Sigma is even, then sigma inverse is also even permutation, and therefore all properties satisfied. So AN is a group, permutation group, and this is a subgroup of SN. AN is a subgroup of SN, and this group is called alternating group. Definition here. Definition. The subgroup of SN, the subgroup of SN consisting of all even permutations of n letter is alternating group AN. Of n letter is the alternating group A. Only n letters. Here S3 containing 6 elements, that means row 0, row 1, row 2, mu1, mu2, mu3. Here row 0 is identity E1. Row 1 is 1, 2, 3. 1, 3 and 1, 2, E1. row 2, 1, 3, 2. This is 1, 2 and 1, 3. E1. Here mu1 is 2, 3 odd. Mu2 is 1, 3 odd. Mu3 is 1, 2 odd. That means in 6 permutations, here 3 are even and 3 are odd. Okay, and this group A3 set of is a subgroup of S ring. This is alternating group. This is alternating group. Okay, we'll stop here. Thank you.